Hi everybody, this is Sean here from PassFirstTime.ie, and in this video we're going to take a look at overtaking. And this is a question that a student asked me during the week, and it's if there's a line of parked cars and there's a big gap between the cars, do you stay out or do you go back in between the gap and reapply your signal for the second lot of cars? The answer is, if there is no oncoming traffic and it is safe, you should stay out. What you need to be careful of course, is how you do overtake and how you do pull back in and the clearance you allow when you are overtaking. So let's take a quick look at it. You check your mirrors and you signal well back from the parked vehicle. When you move out early like this, it means you have more observation for oncoming traffic, etc. You stay a door length out. That's roughly your guide, a door length out from the parked car. And as long as there's nothing coming towards you, you maintain this road position and don't worry about crossing the centre line, by the way, to overtake the parked vehicles. As long as you're keeping that safe distance out, it's necessary. You overtake all of the parked vehicles. You check your centre and left mirror. No great need for a signal in case it might confuse. And you calmly, when it's safe, move back into your proper road position. So that's the correct way to do it. If, for instance, you're moving out and by the time you get to here, road conditions have changed, we'll say, and there is oncoming traffic that you might not have been aware of, then of course you do check your mirrors and you have to move back in. You wait for the oncoming traffic to pass, you check your mirrors and you signal and you gradually move back out and overtake again the parked vehicles, checking your mirrors and moving back in when safe. So hopefully that helps you, and if you want more videos on the driving test, if you have any questions yourself, by the way, leave them in the comments below about the driving test in Ireland, or any little niggles you have about the rules of the road. We would be delighted to answer them for you. You can check out our podcast every week, which is Pass First Time, all one word. We'll be doing weekly videos here, and you can also check out our website, PassFirstTime.ie. That's it for today. If you are doing your driving test in the not too distant future, the best of luck with it.